My name is Ranjan Yankhom. I'm representing CDEC Mumbai. And regarding compared to many other projects, I have seen you have done lots of great work. And this intelligent device is I think, a very simple work we have done. It started as a research project, then we integrated some mobile services. So just we are standing here. I'm standing here because of this mobile services. So it's complete system containing mobile services. Mobile services we have push and a voice service also, and it contains packages. And our main research area is the advisory system, which is an expert system. It has been localized to the Manipuri, Khasi, and Garo, and we have covered 18 crops so far. I will quickly go through. I hope everyone understands what is advisory system. So we are taking the parameters from the farmers, and we are generating solutions automatically. And we have database like we have 3,000 database containing the farmer's query and its solution. So whenever new queries comes, we search from our database and we find out the most similar query, and this answer is replied immediately to the farmer. So like key performance, so far we got 2,814 farmers registered from Manipur and Meghalaya, and the project has been deployed in Manipur and Meghalaya successfully. And we have received 1,916 queries, and SMS we received so far is 131, and 12 voice queries, and 271 full SMS services. So actually how the system works now, whenever farmer sends a query, we have the expert teams for every region. Like in Manipur, we have 15 expert committee, and then this queries goes to the all expert. Then one of the expert can answer to the query immediately. And one of the push service we have given is any expert from any department, they can send alert to the farmers which is specific to the crops, and this alert will go to the farmers. If the expert is sending alert related to the rice, then the farmers growing rice will receive the alerts. So far we have the cover like farming activities, insect management, disease management, weed management, fertilizer management, rice variety selection, and the crops, 18 crops we have already covered, and the packages and practices in Manipuri, Khasi, Garo in English, and the new innovative ideas in Manipuri, Khasi, Garo in English. Add-on services what we have given is the direct query through mobile crop doctor, and agricultural calendar. This is one of the pull service, and the crop information is also pull service, and the registration, crop variety information, health information as voice services and as offline. So let's see how it works. I think it's very simple. One is through our website. It's initially our one of the objectives. Then we integrated this mobile integrations part. Then the farmers can SMS his query to an expert. So everyone is talking about the high GPRS system and the high mobile Android and this thing, but we have done some analysis. Still, farmers are not having the good mobile device, and they are not familiar with this GPRS system. So we are trying to simplify very simply. So farmer can directly SMS his query in some structure. Structure is very simple. ISF query, D for direct query, then what this query. So this query will be broadcast to the all expert of the region. So any of the expert can reply immediately through his mobile. And the farmers can also call. We have given one number. We are trying to implement a toll-free number. Farmers can call a number, then he can record his query also. This query will be broadcasted to the all expert, and any of the expert can answer. So we are actually focusing on the very simple method of the mobile application. So this is one expert can reply from SMS or from the website also. So we hope the ISF what we have given services to the farmers, we are saving their time and energy and money. So thank you very much.
last one, please.